I'm assuming that the files that I need to study are ready.
Yes, I have. Oh, I already kept it here for you. Here's the file. And good morning to you too.
Deza, it's like you're forgetting that that seat you're sitting on will be mine in a few weeks or months. Technically, I'm your boss.
I know that. But your father wants you to learn the ropes. He wants you to understand the business from the ground up. I'm not here to compete roles with you. I'm only here to assist you.
Assist me? I don't need your assistance. What I need is a workspace. I don't need distractions.
Sharing an office space is also part of the learning experience. It allows you to interact and also understand the dynamics of our team.
I don't need to share a workspace with anyone. I'm the future of this company. Don't forget that.
I understand you, Kel. But true leadership comes from understanding and respecting the people you work with. Your father wants you to learn, collaborate, and gain the respect of your colleagues.
Deza, get me my workstation before the end of today. That's fine now.
Okay, I'll talk to the HR and see what we can do about that.
You see what you can do about that? You keep displaying your incompetence every second. Get me my workstation, I'll take this one from you.
Fine. I will eventually leave. But not now, because I have a job to do.
We'll see about that. And this is why I told you it was a bad idea understudying that girl. That small rat. Talking to me. Does she know the future of the company? Does she know?
Kelechi, your problem is your sense of entitlement, not Deza at all.
My sense of entitlement, Dad. I'm the future of your family, the future of that company.
Absolutely. And that is why you need to be humble enough to learn from someone. That's where Deza comes in.
Nobody's going to handhold me. Deza. Dad, I'm smart now. I went to school. Is that why you sent me to school?
Absolutely. Because you're smart and you have some leadership qualities, you need to understudy someone. You need to go through the mill.
I'm not going to do it. No, I'm not going to do it. I have what it takes. I'm smart. I'm quick on my feet. I'm going to get this thing.
Look.
God, talking to me anyhow. Does she know who I am?
Look, son. Deza is in a better position to teach you.
Okay, you know what? I'll go for management course. Finish. Won't that help?
Oh, but that's interesting. That is theory. You are going there for theoretical exercise. You need the practice. That's where Deza comes in.
I'm not going to listen to that girl. Never. I won't. Okay. I won't do it.
Go and have something to eat. Mary has prepared something. Just go and rest.
I'm not going to learn from that girl. I can't learn anything from her. I'm telling you my own. Learn from one nonsense small rat that doesn't know what she's doing.
You will come back to me. You know that.
Is that the white water file?
Yes, sir. Good day.
Let me have it.
I'm sorry, Miss Deza requested for the file, so I'll wait for her to come.
Check it's Don Jazzy that requested for the file. Let me have the file now.
So I have my orders not to give this file to anyone else.
How dare you? I'm Chief Amobi's son, the future of this organization.
Please, Kel. Just allow me to hand over the files to Deza. When she comes, she can give it to you.
You know what? You're fired. Take your things and get out of this organization. Now!
What is going on here?
Kel just fired me.
What? May I? Please. Wait, he did what?
He just fired me.
Kel, is that true?
Are you asking? You surprised?
Yes, I am. Because you don't have any right to fire anyone. At least, not yet.
Deza, don't push me. I'm not as nice as I look.
I agree. Because your looks and your attitude are completely different. It's more like an angel and a demon.
Thank you for the compliment. You're still fired.
No, you're not. Please go back to your desk, okay? I'm sorry.
You asked the files you asked for.
Is this what this is all about?
Yes.
Don't worry, I'll sort it out. Go back to your desk, okay?
Thank you.
Sorry, okay?
Thanks.
How could you? How could you slap that young man? How could you do that? That's unacceptable. We don't do that here. That's unethical.
Dad, you are not there now. That guy was borderline rude. That small boy talking to me, the future.
How dare you lie to me? I saw the CCTV footage. Alright? You had no right asking him for the file he was working on. You had no right. After all, you're an intern.
I'm an intern.
Of course.
In my own father's company. Oh, you told me that power is everything now.
Oh, but power without control is a disaster. You don't use power the way you're using it. You have to learn how to cooperate with others. Now, how do you think I've come this far? How do you think I succeeded?
By working hard and, being determined to succeed.
Every other person is doing the same thing. But because I understood the power of teamwork, the power of working with others, I understood that. How to respect others. I understood that. And then, of course, my charisma and my ability to manage people. That was how I succeeded. Well, others failed.
That this thing is hard on me. I don't, we are not the same now. My own style is different from your style.
Son, you can learn. You can do it. It's not difficult. All you just need to do is come down from your high horse and you learn.
That boy deserves the slap shot, boys.
I am worried, Deza.
About?
Haven't you noticed the conflict going on between you and Kel?
Why are you worried about it?
Haven't you noticed the unhealthy competition going on between you two? I don't want you being in his bad books. He might end up sacking you once he becomes the MD.
Well, I appreciate your concern. But I'm only here because the CEO wants me to teach him the ropes. I'm not here to compete with him, and you know that.
Allow him play this I am the future of the company.
But he is the future of the company.
Nobody's competing with him about that. You should rest, I beg. It's time for lunch. Are you coming?
I have deadlines to meet.
Workaholic. You know where to find me if you happen to change your mind. Have a nice day.
Yeah, I hate you.
Babe, I'm frustrated. This is frustrating me in the office. Do you know that there's no plan or idea that I come up with, she will nullify everything?
That's ridiculous, babe. You deserve the best. You are the CEO, the future CEO of that company.
Yeah, like everybody should know. My father should let everyone know. But then he keeps supporting Deza. For what reason? I don't know.
I want you to earn your respect in that office.
That's what I'm trying to do.
You need to take matters into your own hands.
Yeah, if I can get through my father who is a rock.
I understand. I need to come up with a plan.
What plan are you talking about?
Don't worry about it, baby. When I'm done, I'll let you know. Don't just worry, okay? Everything's gonna be fine.
Babe, you have been away for so long and I'm beginning to feel uncomfortable about it.
But you know how important this opportunity abroad is for my career.
You thought I was supportive? You've been away for 3 years.
I've visited twice just to be with you.
Oh, please don't say that. We both know the reason you came back and it's not me.
I just need you to please understand that this is crucial phase for my professional growth. It's just temporal.
It's tough being alone, you know. I just want us to build our lives together and plan for our future.
Babe, you know I love you. And I want nothing more than to be with you.
I understand. But we still have to find a balance between our personal life and our professional lives.
I understand, babe. I understand. But I really must go now. I will talk to you later soon, okay?
Bye. As always, you're running off. Oh, we'll talk again. Bye.
Hold on. Okay, stop. Hey!
Hi, Bobo. How are
Claire, how are you?
I'm fine, honey.
Good to see you. You look good.
How are you?
Okay, just trying to round up this spot.
Today is weekend for the love of God. So why are you still working? You should be resting.
As much as I agree with you, I have to give this report to Chief for approval before the end of work on Monday. So you see why I have to finish it.
You see why I told you to let Kel handle some of the projects than overloading yourself with too much work.
Kel is not ready for this kind of task yet. He's almost there, but he's not there yet.
Well, it's your call.
I was not expecting you until evening.
I was actually bored. I said, let me come and pay my best to visit, but I see it's a very wrong idea.
Hey, come on. I'm not that bad. You know what? I was going to take 2 hours break before now. So let me just round up with everything I'm doing. We'll go to the kitchen, make something nice, and watch a movie. How's that?
No, you continue with your work while I go fix something.
Oh, my bestie for life.
I got you, baby.
Thank you.
Hey, bestie. I made us some refreshments while you wait for the meal.
You are a lifesaver. You know, I wanted to fix myself a glass, but you see the work I'm doing.
Have you forgotten I'm the next best thing after Nigerian jollof rice? I got you every time, baby.
Thank you.
I'm here for you.
I really needed this. So thoughtful.
I know, right? Workaholic. Still working.
I'm rounding up. Just need to forward the email to the HR so that the HR can send it to my boss.
You need to rest.
I know, I've not had any good sleep in 2 days.
You just need to lie down a little and rest. Just leave work, go in, relax your nerve. You need it, baby.
You're right. Guess I'll just go and maybe take a nap.
Yeah, I think you do. Don't worry, I'll just help you pack up with the laptops and every other thing, okay?
Alright.
Just go rest, have some rest. Sorry, baby. Just...
It's okay now.
You sure?
Yes.
Are you good?
Yes.
Okay, baby. Your phone is on the couch if you need it.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, baby. Strange.
Has anyone seen Kel this morning?
No, but I'm sure he'll be here before we finish the brief.
Okay, so let's finalize, shall we?
I think there's something you need to know.
Oh, okay. Are you okay? You seem a little bit shaky. What is it?
There's a video circulating on the internet, and it's very clear you're not aware of it.
Okay, what is this video about? Do you have any idea?
I would rather we focus on why we are here than talk about it, ma.
I think I would love to see that video that's making everyone act so weird towards me this morning. Ebuka, can I see the video? Sir, the video. Oh my god. No. How? How did this get out? How? How did this get out? I hope the MJ has not seen this. I hope he hasn't.
I don't know, but everyone in the office have seen the naked pictures, and it's spreading like a wildfire.
He's calling me. The CEO is calling me. What do I do? What do I say? What do I do? Sir, hello? What? Oh, okay, sir. I'll be on my way. I'm finished. Oh, God. Sir, those pictures and videos are from my past. I did a few things back in uni that I'm not proud of. And I only did them to see myself through school. But that is not who I am now.
Deza,
Yes, sir.
I don't believe your past scandal should affect your present. We are in deep trouble. Our clients are leaving in droves. Only this morning, a lot of them have called me that they're withdrawing from us because of your scandal. That's a very difficult situation for us because we're sliding.
Sir, please. I beg you to consider the years of hard work and dedication I have put into this company. I promise you, I will do everything within my power to rectify this situation and to regain the trust that we have lost. Please, sir.
Deza.
Yes, sir.
I'm in as much a difficult situation as you are. And as the chief executive officer of the company, my hands are tied. I cannot watch the company go into bankruptcy. I am not firing you, but I'm asking you to tender your resignation and retire honorably. I shall pay you everything that you're entitled to.
I'm so sorry for the embarrassment I have caused the company.
I wish there's something I can do. But if this is what you truly want, then I wish the company the best of luck. And I hope that you bounce back from this setback. Again, I'm sorry, sir. I'm truly sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm so sorry for everything. What is this, God? How can my past come back to haunt me? How can it come back to crumble everything? God. It's not like I was ever proud of what I did. It was just to help myself through school. I was never even arrogant about it. Why is this happening? But who could have leaked this? Who could have sent those pictures and videos out there? And for what reason? Oh my God.
And you still have the nerve to say it? This was your plan? Come on! This is your friend we're talking about. This is too low. You hit her below the belt.
Kel, I did what I did for you, for us.
You did what you did? What are you talking about? This is insane. How could you do this to your friend, leaking her privacy to the world?
Are you so dumb? Are you so dumb to see what she's doing? She's standing in our way.
Standing in our way? Who am I talking to? This is your best friend we're talking about.
Babe, my loyalty is with you. I did what I did for you, for us, for our future.
No. You even told me that drug was for your family member that was traumatized. You used that drug on your friend.
Does it matter? Does it really matter?
Do you know this can lead to depression for her?
Don't worry about her. She's going to be fine. I did it for you. You should be happy. You should be appreciating me, not shouting at me. I did whatever I did for you, for us, for our future.
I'm in.
Hey, babe.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. It's time for lunch. Do you mind tagging along?
Let's not start doing this now.
How long are we going to keep doing this?
I don't want people getting suspicious. We need to be smart about this.
I honestly think you're saying the truth.
You don't say me. Huh? Look. It's our time now. This place belongs to us. Come in.
This is the plain gate file.
Okay. I'll get to you before the end of the week.
No, sorry, sir. It has to be ready by tomorrow. We're already past the deadline and these guys are threatening to give the contract to a rival company.
Don't worry, I'll call tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Right, thank you.
Yeah. This is Ado.
You don't know your position right now, right? Uneasy likes the head that wears the crown.
This head is paining me already.
That's what you signed up for.
What a day. Daddy, good evening.
How am I supposed to respond to the evening?
I don't understand.
Oh, you haven't heard that we've lost our biggest client?
Otuna.
Oh, you remember? In a month, we have lost 3 big clients. And at the rate we're going to lose all and go bankrupt. All because of your incompetence. You lack skills, my friend.
Daddy.
Now listen. I need someone good to turn the fortunes around.
No, Daddy, listen. These customers, these clients, they're so difficult. Especially that Otumba. I did my best. I've been doing my best.
Your best is not good enough, young man. Your best is not good enough, and I pray not to see your worst. Do you understand me? Huh? Since you joined us, clients have been leaving. Okay? I need someone competent enough to turn the fortunes around. And of course, it's unfortunate Deza had to leave at this point.
Daddy, I don't like when you mention this Deza thing. See, I've been doing my best. I'm not even joking. I'm working hard tirelessly. And I guarantee you, I'll turn things around.
Look, I would want to believe you. But the facts are not helping your case. We are losing clients. We're going down. And you know that this business means a lot to this family.
I know.
I need someone who will turn the fortunes of the company around. Someone competent.
Give me one more chance. That's all I'm asking for. Just give me one more chance and you see what I will do.
I wish I could do that. I wish I could trust you.
You can trust me. I promise you, trust me.
Okay, 2 weeks is long enough to see a change. Now you've got 2 weeks. Now get out of here.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I have.
Hello? William, please don't hang up, okay? Please just hear me out. I beg you. I got your message, but I promise you, that was from my past. That was my shameful past. That's not who I am now. Please.
Teacher, I can't change how I feel about this. I thought I knew you. That our love was built on trust. But now, I don't know if I can move past this.
I'm so sorry, Williams. I'm sorry I didn't tell you, but all that happened when I was in school. I was helpless. You know my background. You know my history. I couldn't help myself. I only did what I did to survive, but you cannot use that to define me. I have cleaned up my mess. I'm a totally different person. I am not that person anymore. I'm decent now. I promise you. Please do not let my past define me. I beg you. Please. I swear, I love you so much. But we can work this out. I promise we can. You know that I love you. Our love should withstand any problem that we're supposed to have, right? Please do not end our relationship based on my ugly past. I beg you. I have changed. That's not who I am anymore. Please. Please. Don't let this destroy us.
Teacher, magicians think I can marry someone with such a reckless past. It's over between us.
Hello? Hello, babe.
Kel,
What is it, Claire?
we need to discuss something very important.
Claire, I haven't made time for you. I know. I'm sorry. I need to focus on the job. There's a lot I need to catch up on.
So your job now come first, Kel. Like I don't even exist anymore.
Am I the only one in this office? Can't you see what is happening? We are losing clients by the day. In the last 6 weeks, we've lost so many clients.
And what does that got to do with us?
Everything! All we sit down to do is gossip and gist. Clients are going. We're not the only civil engineering firm in the States.
You're just making excuses and I'm not buying it.
Oh, goodness.
You're supposed to make time for me. Don't forget we're supposed to be a team. And don't forget how you got to that seat sooner than you deserve.
Really? Blackmail is not what you do. Okay? I was going to get to this seat whether you did anything or not.
It's no blackmail, my sweet Kel. It's just a lovely reminder.
I consider myself reminded. Can you now go back to your office so I can focus on my job?
I just hope you're not playing games. No man does that and go away with it. You can't use me to get what you want and throw me under the bus. It's a very risky game you wouldn't want to take.
Noted. Can you go now? Thank you.
I can't believe that my life has taken such a dark turn. How can I lose my job and my fiancé all in the space of 2 months? This is just too much for me to be.
I am so sorry, Deza, this is happening to you. You don't deserve this.
Thank you. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you for always being by my side. What would I have done without you?
I will always be there for you. True friends stick together, no matter what.
How I wish. How I wish I would just know the person that leaked those videos. I want to look them in the face and ask them why they want to ruin my life and why they have made me lose everything I've worked really hard for over the years.
I promise you, we will find whoever did this. We'll get to the bottom of this and make things right again.
Thank you, dear. Thank you, my dear friend. Thank you for being here.
You're like a sister to me. And nothing can change that.
I love you.
I love you too.
You're the best friend anyone could ever ask for.
Please stop crying.
Deza. Hey.
Yeah,
What are the odds? I never thought I'll see you here.
it's been a while. How have you been?
Good. Can I...
Yes,
How have you been? I mean, I'm sorry for how you had to leave the organization. You might not believe me, but I had nothing to do with it.
honestly, I want to believe you, but it's tough.
I understand. Look, I wanted to be CEO so bad, right? I thought it was my right, but I don't play dirty. It's not my style. How are you holding up? What are you up to these days?
It's been a tough time.
Look, it was after you left then I started to realize how much you meant to the organization, the value that you brought. No one can replace you. No one can do what you do.
Wow. I never thought you felt this way towards me. That means a lot. Thank you.
I treated you badly. While I was your intern, I was disrespectful. I did things my way. It was wrong. I've come to know now that I was wrong and you were right. I shouldn't have done all what I did.
I appreciate your sincerity. It takes a real man to admit he's wrong.
Still wish you could come back.
Who knew that my absence could bring so much impact? Is that today? Apart from that, after everything, I don't think I can ever want to show my face in that organization.
Never say never. I'm with construction still needs you. Dad,
Yes, son.
can we talk?
Yeah, sit down. I'm listening.
So, I saw Deza the other day
Really?
at the park. Can we rehire her?
Well, I thought you wanted her to leave.
Yeah, that was months back. I have a bit of clarity now, and I know that with her, we can get back to our glory days.
That means you accept you have failed.
That's not what I'm saying. I mean, I struggled initially, but then I've picked up the pace now. But then if we must hit our numbers, we need Deza. She can help us. And I know you can make it happen if you want to.
I didn't want her to go in the first instance. I don't know if the board would want her back.
The board, you have 61% shares, you have controlling shares. Who's going to stop you?
I don't think it's in her best interest to come back.
What if she comes in as a consultant? Like working for us from the outside. Nobody needs to know she's on the payroll, you know? It's a win-win for everybody. Think about it.
You have a point there, but I have to convince the board.
You convince the board, I trust you.
You grow up to meet her there.
I didn't believe it at first, but when the CEO called me himself, that was when I knew it was real.
Oh, I'm happy for you. I told you everything was gonna be fine.
Yes, you did, didn't you? Wait, why do I have a feeling you knew about this?
Knew about what?
About me returning to Amobi Construction Company. Did you talk to Kel about me? I'm sure you did. You did, didn't you?
I had to. The company needs you. Nobody knows the business like you do.
Oh, thank you. But I'm worried. I just hope I still have the flair like I once did.
I had no doubt in your abilities to take us out from this mess we're in.
My only problem is, working in isolation is not my thing. Like, working from home, that has never been my thing.
Trust me, you'll be fine. And I'm always here for you.
Thank you so much. You're such a great friend. How would I do without you? Always having my back.
I got you all the time, baby.
Thank you.
nature. It brings so much calmness, you know.
I know, right? Sometimes we all need to take a break from the chaos of the world and find solace in places like this.
Absolutely. Speaking of which, you know we made a mistake letting you go. Because now that you're freelance, we're thriving.
Thank you. It's nice hearing that from you. And you have improved so much. I am so proud of the man you have become.
I got that from you. I mean, I hated to admit it, but then I learned a lot from you. Your professionalism was top notch. I admire that and maybe a lot more than that.
Okay. And what might that be? Spill, please.
Listen, Deza, I like you. I like you a lot. And I can see that I have feelings for you now. So it's not just about work. It is your beauty, your charisma, the way you carry yourself. You're so put together, you know what you're doing. I know you might not be in that headspace right now. But, I mean, with all the trauma that you've gone through, but I just thought to say it.
I appreciate the fact that you understand what I'm going through and what I had to go through. Kel, you have become such a remarkable man, and I'm happy for you. However, I am still healing, and if I must go back to dating again, it will be with someone who doesn't know anything about my dirty past.
Yeah, I understand. It's beyond romance. I value our friendship.
I value our friendship too.
I can feel you losing your mind. You better be still. No need to fear what's left behind. Come right in. Let me take you on a journey.
Daddy!
Oh, son!
What's up now? You sounded very urgent. What's going on?
The state government has approved the contract. I mean, I was on the phone since morning with the Commissioner for Works.
What?
Yes.
Approved!
Approved.
Congratulations! I know that they... No. We should
Thank you,
celebrate
sir.
this. We should celebrate.
Yeah, we should. You see, bringing back Deza was the best thing to do.
Well, we shouldn't have let her go in the first place.
But that wasn't what you were saying at the beginning.
Well...
You see, teamwork, cooperation, work, and they bring success.
I couldn't agree with you more.
Great. So, why don't you go and get the champagne?
I will. No, red wine. I'm not doing champagne with you tonight.
What? Okay, red wine is
I
good.
can feel you
It's good.
losing
Oh,
your
by the way,
mind.
Mary made jollof fries.
You better be still. No need to fear what's left behind. Come right in. Let me take you on a journey. Come share my world. Come hold me close. Baby, don't go. Hey, I'ma give it all. Everything I've got. I'ma show you love. Show you love like never before. Touch your heart with my melody. Gonna touch your soul with my harmony. Oh, stay with me, baby. Our love is so true. All you run away. All you gotta stick to me and walk beside me in the name of love.
Claire, what is all this? I mean, if you don't respect me, at least respect the officer that pays your salary.
Why have you been avoiding my calls?
I'm not avoiding you. I'm not avoiding your calls. I see you every day in the office, so I'm not avoiding you.
Where were you yesterday?
I was working. I worked late yesterday.
Oh, really? You were really working? Do you mind checking your phone? Go on, check your phone, or do you want me to show you?
What?
I can see what you were really doing yesterday. I don't understand, I don't know what you guys want. I'm so happy that everybody in the office now knows what she looks like.
All thanks to you.
I did it for you!
No, you did it for yourself! Because with or without you, I'll be sitting in this chair sooner or later.
You prefer a Ron's girl to me?
No. Even a snake. I prefer a snake to you.
What did you just call me?
No, come on. Everybody knows that you're a snake. How could you do this to your friend? I won't even do this to my enemy.
I can see you're playing games. I warned you not to cross me. You wouldn't listen.
I listened. I just didn't care. And you know what? Newsflash? I'm in love with Deza. And our past doesn't matter.
I can see you want to play dirty games, but I can do that too.
I know you can, that's your MO. But while you're trying to do that, get out of my office.
You have a nice day. Rubbish.
How can you be so insensitive? Alright? How can you be doing that to that poor girl? Alright? You know, DJ needs time to recover. She needs time to heal. Leave the poor girl alone. Huh?
Dad, come on. It's not the feeling I have for her. I have real feelings. Yes. It's real feelings and it's not professional. I have real feelings for her, Dad.
I don't care whether it's real or not or in between. You can't have anything to do with her.
Dad, come on, stop now. Yes, she's made mistakes. But I'm not starting the woman I see now. I see a different person. She's learned her lesson. She's moved on from those things.
You're talking nonsense, young man. I can't allow you to have anything to do with a woman of such character. Let her be. Let her be.
So her character is bad now. But it's not bad for the business, is it?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Dad, love doesn't discriminate. It doesn't. This girl is changed. Come on.
Now listen, boy. You can't be having infatuation with your office colleagues. That's not proper.
Colleagues.
Of course! You think I don't know you have something for Claire? Well, not that I love Claire so much, but the one with Deza is different. Do you know what that will mean to her family image?
Dad.
Now listen, Kelechi. I hope we won't have this conversation again. Never.
When two people love each other, they should try and stick together, no matter what may come.
I was wondering what's going on because I was calling you, you weren't picking up.
We need to talk, Kel. I've been thinking about us lately and I want us to...
You want us to what?
I want us to end this relationship.
No, don't say that. We're good together. We said that. We know that.
You know we are. But your father will never approve of me. He knows about my past and I can't blame him because this is too much of a baggage.
Did he call you? Listen, okay? Listen, DJ. I don't care. Do you understand? I don't care about your past. I'm willing to fight through this with you. But I need you in my corner. I need you to tell me that you're in my corner. I will fight anyone. I love you.
I love you too. And I appreciate you for willing to fight for us.
Do it anytime.
I'm willing to stand by you too.
Don't cry, okay? Listen. Our love has no boundaries. And no one's gonna come between us. There are no limits.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna do something I should have done a long time ago.
Kel,
I've been carrying this around for a while. I love you so much. I want you to be with me for the rest of my life.
No, I think we're moving too fast.
Who's going to determine that? Nobody can determine whether we're fast or slow. It is us. Deza, it is us. Let's go on this journey together. Yes?
Yes.
Don't cry. I love you.
Babe, you sounded so worried on the phone. I hope everything is okay.
Everything is okay. I wanted you to be the first to see this. Oh, this is beautiful.
William's right?
Please don't ruin the moment.
Who then?
Okay. Please don't be mad, okay?
Why will I be?
Okay, there's something I want to tell you.
Go ahead, baby girl.
Thank you. Okay. Kel, alright. Kel and I have been seeing each other. Oh, I know. We decided to keep it a secret. I didn't want to tell you yet because I wanted to be sure about his feelings for me. I wanted to be sure his feelings are genuine. But then he surprised me by coming to the house and he gave me this. Asked me to be his wife. Isn't that so cute? So happy. Claire, did you hear anything I said?
Oh, yeah, I heard everything you said. And you think Kel is the kind of man you want to marry? Don't forget he's a scammer and a manipulator.
Hey, don't say that. I mean, anyone can change. Besides, he's grown from that arrogant, spoiled brat to a matured man.
And you think his dad will accept you with your dirty secret? Or let his son marry you?
Please stop. Why would you say that? This is supposed to be good news.
No, baby. I'm not trying to hurt you. But I have to tell you the truth as your friend. If I don't, who will?
This is too much for me to bear. This is too much.
Don't forget he's a user and a manipulator.
Oh God, can you just stop? Please, just stop.
Think about it.
When two people love each other, they should try and stick together. No matter what may come their way, yeah. They should sort it out together. Because trials and temptations will come and threaten to put them apart. No, people will say and do things just to try to tear them apart. Count up the heart. I love you. I really do. And nothing can stop me from loving you. Even if you reject me, I will still love you. 'Cause I love you. I really count do. Up the heart. I do.
Kelechi Amobi, we need to talk. How dare you? How dare you propose to Deza?
Alright, Claire. What's the matter?
You know I deserve to be the one wearing that ring in my finger. How dare you?
Claire, I understand that you're hurt. And it's understandable if you're upset. But my feelings for Deza are real. I love her. And I look forward to spending the rest of my life with her.
You love her? What about me? What about the memories you share? What about the promises you made to me? How dare you? How could you just throw everything into the trash just like that?
I'm sorry if you feel hurt, Claire. We were never meant to be. And you know this. We both know this. What we had was sex for benefit, not love. There's no way I was gonna marry you. We said this from the beginning. It's sad that you got emotional. I love Deza, and she's the one I want to be with. I have no apologies about that.
You must break up with her. I mean, you must break up with her. Else, I will go to her and tell her everything. And your dad will be so pleased to know how desperate you were to get to that position you are.
I won't let you manipulate me, Claire. I won't break Deja's heart. And I won't let you ruin what we have. Suit yourself, do whatever you want to do. But nothing will change my decision.
How dare him after everything? He cannot just use me and dump me like that. Never! Never!
Hello?
Hey babe, what happened now? I've been calling you back to back for a while. You've not been taking my calls.
I'm sorry I've not been taking your calls, but the thing is, I've been thinking about us lately.
Come on, I thought we had gone past this.
I know, but I still cannot help myself.
Honestly, babe, you would need to work on your insecurity. You're a lot better than your past, and you know this. It's draining. It's draining.
But like I said, I've made a lot of mistakes, and I feel like it's going to affect us.
Who have you been talking to?
Babe.
DJ, I'm not stupid. I want to know who has been getting into your head.
No one has been getting into my head. I just feel the way I feel because I know how society is. Besides, I told Claire about us. You know, she's my best friend, and I showed her the ring. She seemed happy for me, but a part of her is also worried about my past. I trust her so much because she's my best friend and she has my best interest at heart.
I love you, DJ. And that is being honest to God. You have to be careful who you trust with your life. People are not who you think they are.
What do you mean by that?
That you should trust your instinct more. And not what someone tells you. What does your instinct tell you?
Okay, I will. But I love you so much and I promise that I will not second guess you again.
That is the voice you should listen to. I love you, DJ. And that's all that matters.
I love you too. Bye.
Well, DJ, I'm glad you could come. What I wanted to discuss with you would have been done over the phone, but I needed to talk to you face to face.
Okay, sir. But what is this about?
It's about your relationship with my son. From the onset, I didn't welcome it. And to make matters worse, he has engaged you. And I do not want my son to get engaged in this kind of relationship. He's too young. Let him take his own decisions and find his own path.
Sir, I understand your concerns, but Kel and I are in love. We have a strong bond and we are building a future together.
Love is not enough. And I can assure you that with this kind of relationship, the world will tear you both apart. And my son is too young to understand what it is all about and he won't survive it.
This is about my past. Sir, I made a few mistakes that I'm not proud of.
What is life without mistakes and experiences? I have learned from my mistake and I am not that person anymore. And for what is coming, we are ready and prepared for it. Please give us a chance to prove to you that our love can withstand anything.
Deza, I appreciate your sincerity and I cannot ignore my concerns. And I can assure you that my son is too young to be involved in a scandalous relationship. I do not accept this relation.
Please, sir, give us a chance. Please don't do this. I truly love your son. And he loves me too.
Deza, this discussion is over. I want you to leave now. Leave my son alone. Let him find his own path at the appropriate time. You can leave now.
Come in.
You called to see me.
Yeah, please sit.
Can we quickly get to it? I have a lot of files to attend to.
I called you here to give you something that you really work hard for. I'm sorry it's coming this late.
I knew you would eventually come to your senses. What? Termination letter for what?
For insubordination, for threats, behavior that's not tolerable in the workplace.
Do you think a piece of paper can scare me?
I'm not bluffing.
You must be joking, Kel.
I'm not bluffing. Insubordination, threats, all those bad behavior is not tolerable in the workplace. I won't tolerate it here. So please leave my office. You sent for me then?
Yes, son. Sit down, let's talk.
Dad, I don't want to talk and I don't want to sit down. I don't know why everybody thinks they can butt into my problem.
You see, Kelechi, I know that the decision I'm asking you to take is hard. But I'm thinking about your future. I don't want your feelings hurt. I don't want you to make mistakes.
Can I ask you a question, Dad?
Go ahead.
Why can't you respect my decision? I'm very happy and comfortable with Deza. Why can't you respect that?
You see, son, I love you unconditionally. I don't want you to make mistakes in life. I don't want you to regret the actions you would take.
Okay, you know what? It's my life. So let me make the mistakes. Let me learn. It's my life. Don't tell me what to do. Not in this area of my life.
What is son? When your mom passed, I swore to take care of you all through your life. And that includes getting married. I don't want you to make mistakes. I don't want your feelings to be hurt.
But you of all people, you know that love is about acceptance and forgiveness. So why can't Deza get a chance at that? Why?
Well, if that is a decision you have taken, you don't have my blessings. This is my family. You can't drag this family's name to the mud. That name predates you, and we can't have you destroyed.
You know what? It's about the name, right? I'll change my name.
This young man doesn't know how water got into the coconut. He doesn't know.
Deza! Did you open up?
I'm sorry, I can't do this anymore, Kel. I don't want to be the reason you have a falling out with your father.
DJ, don't say that. Please don't say that, okay? I don't care. I don't care whatever he has said. I don't want this to end.
It's your father we are talking about here.
Look, you're the family that I want. I don't need any other person. You're the only family I want.
But he's your only family.
I don't care.
I appreciate your determination to make this work, but I'm sorry, I can't do this.
Okay, you know what? Let me come in at least. Let's just talk.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Kel.
Deza, don't go. Deza! Come on.
Love each other. They should try and stick together. No matter what may come their way. Yeah. They should sort it out together. Because trials and temptations will come and threaten to put them apart. No, people will say and do things just to try to tear them apart. Oh, I love you. I really do. And nothing can stop me from loving you. Even if you reject me, I will still love you. 'Cause I love you. I really do. I do. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause I love you. I really do. I know we have an issue, and my reputation I need to rescue. But please don't leave. Give me a chance to explain. Please don't go. I know I've caused you so much pain, but if you give me the chance to explain, I know you'll understand. Please don't go. Understand. Just give me this chance. I love you. I really do. And nothing can stop me from loving you. From loving you. Even if you reject me, I will still love you. 'Cause I love you. I really do. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause I love you. 'Cause I love you. I really do. I do. I really love you. I truly love you. Give me one more chance. I love you. I really do. And nothing can stop me from loving you. Even if you reject me, I will still love you. Still love you. 'Cause I love you. I really do. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause I love you. I love you. I really do.
Hold on. Come in. welcome. Are you okay? Sorry. Sit down. Claire, what is it? You sounded so worried on the phone and tensed. Are you okay?
I have a confession to make. Something I never wanted to admit. But I can't keep it a secret anymore.
Okay, you're getting me worried. What are you talking about?
I was the one that leaked your sex tape and the nude pictures to the public.
What? It was you? How would you do this to me? We've been friends for many years.
Kel forced me. He threatened to kill me if I don't obey his orders.
How did he get to know about the sex tape and the life I lived before now?
He never knew. He came to me with an offer to make me the general manager if only I could help him to get you to resign. I never wanted to do all this.
And you didn't think it was smart or nice of you to come to me as a friend. At least I would have taken it to his father. And you decided to use my past against me? How could you? I trusted you, Claire. I trusted you and you did this to me. Do you know what you did? What you and Kel did? Do you know how you broke me? Do you know what I had to go through because of what you and Kel did?
TJ, I'm sorry. I never wanted to do all this.
I was this close to committing suicide because of you.
I'm sorry.
And all this while it has been you?
I never knew.
Get out! Get out! I don't want to ever see you again. You're a witch! You did this to me. You watched me cry. You came here consoling me, but it was you all along. Get out of my house! Get out! Get out of my house! Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ah. Son, I just got your resignation letter. I'm disappointed to say the least. You're throwing away a bright future just because of a woman. Son, I had great future for you. I wanted you to take Amobi construction to higher heights. But now all that is falling apart. I hope you know the consequences of your actions. That you're resigning from a family business. Are you throwing away your future? Well, as a father, it is my responsibility to bring you back whenever you're drifting away from the right path. I want you to come back. I'll be here waiting for you. Please, son, Please come back. Come and take your rightful place. Think about the bigger picture. Think about your future. Think about tomorrow. This is not good at all.
Deza, where have you been?
What are you doing here? So you still have the guts to show your face to me after what you did?
What did I do?
More like what you and Claire did.
Deza, listen. I had nothing to do with what she did. My hand was not involved at all.
Oh, really? And I'm supposed to believe that?
Yes. I know I wanted the company so bad, but then I had no inclination about your sex tapes or your new pictures at all. Oh. I didn't know about them.
But you took advantage of it, didn't you? Admit it. You took advantage of it and you achieved your aim. And when your company was going under, you called me to save your face.
Yes, I called you to save my company. And that was that. It had nothing to do with me falling in love with you. I love you, Deza. You know this.
Well, you can see how complicated our relationship is. It is draining, Kel. I advise you go our separate ways.
No, don't
just leave me alone, okay?
Deza.
Let's go. Come. Deza.
Yes, sir.
I'm glad you could come, even when you don't owe me any obligation to answer my call.
Sir, I was surprised you called, and I'm curious to know why you wanted to meet up with me.
I want to apologize to you. I've been unfair to you. I've been unjust to your emotions. And I had no right at all to interfere in your relationship with my son. I apologize.
I understand, sir.
I want you to understand. My son decided to leave the company and leave the house. And he vows not to come back until you come back. I'm sorry. I hurt you and him. But I would like to ask you for two things. One, that you come back to the company. And secondly, that you carry on your relationship with my son.
Sir, I appreciate your apology. But I have forgiven you a long time ago. I bear no grudges. But I've decided to put a hold on any kind of relationship there is, including the one I have with your son. For now. And about coming back to the company. Thank you so much for taking me back. But during the time that I was away, I started my own thing and I want to focus on it and nurture it and see it grow. I hope you understand.
Oh yes, I understand. I thank you so much for forgiving me. And I wish you all the best of luck in your endeavors. I do hope that someday you'll come back. I'll be here waiting for you. And I also do hope that you'll find an opportune time to resume your relationship with my son.
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate you. I pray that with time, we can all heal and move forward. It's always a pleasure, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Son, I'm really sorry for the pains I've caused you and Deza. I shouldn't have come in between both of you. There was no right, I was wrong. I'm truly sorry.
That's a bit late now. She didn't even speak to me. And it's all your fault.
Deza was here.
She was?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
I sent for her.
Let me guess, to tell her that we're not compatible.
On the contrary. I sent for her to apologize for the things I've done to you both. To tell her I'm sorry.
What did she say?
She still loves you.
Did she say that, or you just assuming she's...
Well, she didn't say that in a straightforward way, but all her actions point to that. I would want you to go after her, go back to her, apologize to her.
Thank you, darling.
Always.
My father said you came by the house. Dija, I just want to say that I'm sorry. Again. I apologize for my mistakes. Everything that happened in the past. What happened with Claire, the part that I played in it. I'm just sorry. I don't want to lose you. I love you. So I just decided to come and you're not saying anything. Is that a smile? Because does that mean I'm forgiven?
Yes. I forgive you. It's easy to forgive you, Kel. It's funny I have to say this, but you have taught me the power of forgiveness, and somehow you've managed to give me the strength to live in my darkest moment, and I love you for that, and I love you for not judging me.
I will never judge you.
Really?
Yeah. And I want you to come every day to the office.
Really?
Yes, not just on the days that you're a consultant. I know you're a big time consultant now, but come every day.
Sure.
I miss you when you're not there.
Oh. Kale, I never stopped loving you. The more I tried to put everything we shared behind, the more I realized how difficult it would be to live without you.
Deza, I can say it over and over again. I want you by my side. I always will want you by my side.
What?
Huh?
What? What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you... Oh my God, Kale.
I know I've said it several times,
Oh my God.
but this time I want to make it official. Deza, please be my wife.
Yes. Yes, I'll be your wife. Yes. Yes. I love you.
I love you more.
Come right in. Let me take you on a journey. Come share my world. Come hold me close. Baby, don't go. Hey, I'ma give it all. Everything I've got. I'ma show you love. Show you love like never before. Touch your heart with my melody. Gonna touch your soul with my harmony. Oh, stay with me, baby. Our love is so true. All you gonna wait. All you run away. All you gotta stick to me and walk beside me in the name of love. All you gotta listen to your heart. Leave me in the dark, or tear us apart. All you gotta stick to me and walk beside me in the name of love. I'll never let you go. I need you right now. I need you right here beside me. I want you to know you're my world, my all, and you're my everything. Baby, stay with me, 'cause you're my everything. Baby, baby, don't go. Stay with me. All you run away. All you gotta stick to me and walk beside me in the name of love. All you gotta listen to your heart. Leave me in the dark, or tear us apart. All you gotta stick to me and walk beside me.